To fully benefit from Weekydo, you need to understand the concept behind it. And that's what we're showing you step by step in these videos. This is the weekly plan, simple and clearly structured. You can see everything at a glance. On the left side, you see a calendar view, but don't let that confuse you. Weekydo is not a calendar. The widgets always display your current week. That being said, the calendar on the top left corner still serves a purpose. That's where you enter your upcoming appointments for the following weeks and months. Additionally, in the menu item Synchronization, you can synchronize your own calendar with a Weekydo calendar by mouse click. This works for all Google, Microsoft, and iCall calendars. The tasks, on the other hand, always go into the weekly schedule, which you fill up step by step. And you continue to do this until all activities, information, and above all your priorities have been entered. Unlike a calendar, you cannot turn the page of your weekly schedule. This helps you to concentrate on the task at hand and to focus your attention on the things that need to be done immediately. Strictly speaking, you can always work on the same weekly principle.